Embrace calm, excel with confidence. 10-minute stress-relieving techniques for key meetings and presentations. Before a key meeting or presentation, it's crucial to manage your stress and center yourself. Here are some breathing and stress-relieving techniques you can practice for about 10 minutes before your important event. Deep breathing. Take slow, deep breaths to help calm your mind and body. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Focus on the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Box breathing. This technique involves inhaling, holding, exhaling, and holding your breath again in a rhythmic pattern. Inhale deeply for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 4, exhale slowly for a count of 4, and hold your breath again for a count of 4. Repeat this cycle several times. 4, 7, 8 breathing. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7, and then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. Repeat this sequence 3 to 4 times. Progressive muscle relaxation. Start by tensing and relaxing different muscle groups in your body. Begin with your toes, move to your feet, and progressively work your way up to your head. Tense each muscle group for a few seconds, then release and relax. This technique helps release tension and promotes relaxation. Mindful meditation. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Pay attention to each inhalation and exhalation, letting go of any distracting thoughts. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Practice mindfulness for a few minutes to calm your mind and reduce stress. Visualization. Imagine yourself succeeding in your meeting or presentation. Visualize yourself confidently delivering your message, engaging with the audience, and achieving positive outcomes. Picture the situation going smoothly and visualize a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Positive affirmations. Repeat positive affirmations silently or aloud to yourself. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and help build confidence. For example, I am well prepared and capable, I am calm and composed, or, I have the skills to handle any challenge. Stretching exercises. Perform gentle stretching exercises to release tension and increase blood flow. Focus on your neck, shoulders, arms, and legs. Stretching helps relax your muscles and promotes a sense of physical and mental well-being. Laugh or smile. Watch a funny video, read a joke, or simply smile. Laughter and smiling can help reduce stress, uplift your mood, and increase positive feelings. Practice gratitude. Take a moment to reflect on things you are grateful for. It could be something related to the upcoming meeting, such as the opportunity to present your ideas, or something unrelated, like the support of your colleagues or the beauty of nature. Cultivating gratitude can shift your focus to the positive aspects of your life and help alleviate stress. Remember, these techniques are most effective when practiced consistently. Regularly incorporating them into your routine can help you manage stress more effectively and maintain a calm and focused mindset before important meetings or presentations. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to support the channel and content creation.